How to fix device is not compatible error on your BlueStacks 5. Hello everyone and let's get started. If you are getting this error on your BlueStacks 5, here are the 2 steps to solve this problem. So for the first one, click on the hamburger icon on your BlueStacks 5 and go to its settings. Now go to the tab called as graphics. If you will see the performance option, tap on it. If not, you can directly go to the performance settings from the left side. After this, on the performance mode, make sure that high performance is selected and then save changes. So this is the step 1. However, if this does not work, let's move on to the next one. Go to the main home page and click on System Applications and go to Settings. Now under the device option, select on Apps. Once you click on App Info, scroll down until you find the application called as Google Play Store and then go to its storage and then click on Clear Cache. Once this is done, make sure that you restart the application and the issue must probably be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.